Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is super general top loading 7 kg washing machine. That machine was also is totally dead because the while customer trying to use power switching on, but machine not moving. That's mean motor water not taking anything. This is the problem with this machine. We will check what is the exactly problem and we will go to the next step. Now I will select direct spin. You can see here 9 minutes remaining time, 9 minutes showing through the display. Now I will start the machine. The drain motor already catching. You can hear the noise. Now it's time to rotate motor, but motor not rotating. Still no. Again I will power up the machine. Now again I will give power. Now you can hear I can hear the noise. Some noise from the machine. That means it's direct when I'm giving power. See, it's display only showing here, and direct power going to the inlet wall or drain pump or something. We have to check that one, and we will remove the back cover and we will check. Now I can remove the back cover. Now you can see here drain pump and drain motor, everything we can identify now. Now from the motor it's coming like a burning smell, but we can check here. This motor actually it's very coming very heat. Now we will check the capacitor. After checking capacitor, we can identify any problem with the capacitor. Now we can check this capacitor. It is this capacitor. It's 12 microfarad. Motor not rotating. Motor not rotating. Now we will do one thing. We will replace the capacitor and check again. Now I am going to replace the capacitor. It should be the same. I disconnect the wires. Now it's okay. Now I will give power connection again. Again I'm selecting spin cycle here and we will start. Drain motor, drain pump, everything now it's again as same before, it's working. Start to work. Pump, you can hear the noise. Still not rotating as same before. Now I understood that it is not problem with the capacitor, it's the old one also okay. Something problem with the wash motor. Now we have to check the wash motor continuity. Now we can check motor continuity. These three wires, the blue, yellow and ash blue, these three wires I have to check now continuity. Now you can see the continuity motor. Now you can see here it is one continuity is not showing, one wire, that's mean one starting or running wire already gone, because this one starting running continuity both are same, because clockwise and anti-clockwise rotating. Because of that the one winding not showing. Now we will check with another motor. After that we can identify whether main PCB okay or not. Now what I'm going to do, now I will check with another motor. Now I will show you again. Now I'm giving power connection. Only power connection giving. The motor will start, which is I changed now temporary checking. Now I given already. You can hear the noise. Also see this motor continuously working. That means direct supply coming to the motor because of that, which is fixed old one. So already motor gone. Now we have two jobs: main control board and motor. Anyway, motor we have to change now. We have to change the motor. Also we have to repair the control board. Now we will remove the control board first. After that we will check what we can do. Now I am going to remove the power control box. Here screw saw, it will come from the side. Now I already remove main control board. Now we can check here. It is too much cockroaches are already gone here. Anyway, now we have to check what is the problem exactly. We will disconnect the connectors, harness assemble from the main control. After that, we will check what is the exactly problem. Why is coming direct power to the motor? Now we will disconnected harness from the control board. Now we can check this one here. This brown and this wire, the ash color one, ash blue. This two wires, it's keeping giving supply 230 power to the motor. Sorry, main control board. Here this one and this one go for the motor. Now we have to check these two wires. Why is coming direct supply to the motor? Now I already cut back of the power control box. Why is giving direct power to the motor? Because if it is this two track already gone, the power it's supplying without controlling, while giving power at the same time power going to the motor. Because of that, this two track we have to check properly. Now now I will show you what is the problem exactly. See this track already gone. Because of that, power going to the motor continuously. See, this is okay, this one is okay, other one already gone. You can see this one already gone. This track we have to change. After that, our problem we can resolve. Now you can see this is track number. It should be the same number. The number is BTA 408X. This one it should be the same. Now we will check the same parts and we will replace and check. Now I have in the same track. Now I'm going to replace this one, new one. After that, our problem will get solved. Definitely motor should work. Now after replacing this track, It is easy job for us. Now I am going to fix this one. You can see. Now we can resoldering like that. It is very easy. Now we will check with the washing machine. Now after repairing, I already given connections to the control board. Now before fixing, we will check one cycle. Now again I'm going to select direct spin cycle. Now again I'm select direct spin 9 minutes. Now we will check with the motor. Now you can see here, this motor I already kept outside, not direct cycle. It is working perfectly. Now we have to fix for the permanently washing machine, and we will check. Now after repairing control board, also we replace the motor also, which is defect one. Now we can check. I'm given already power connection. Also again I'm selecting a spin cycle. Now we can check it is motor clockwise anti-clockwise rotating or not. Just I given power connection and start the machine. You can see that rotation is okay, anti-clock and clockwise. Now I again given power. I'm selecting spin cycle again. I select spin cycle. We will start the machine. The clutch already catch by the drain motor. Now pump also working. Still not start motor, but should start. Also still now it's came decrease in time. Now it's showing 7 minutes. Now start the machine. You can see. Yes, my dear, my job already completed. If it is you are occurring the same issue, you have to go through this video, because the any motor track going when at the same time machine not running. This is the problem with this machine. Now it is already we repaired. Also we replaced the motor. Now machine is working perfect. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.